Please, sir. I want some more.
In the row 400 mmc.
What?
Please, sir. I want some more.
In the row 400 mmc.
More?
Yes, as you can tell by the video title, Bluestar are getting more buses. And a bunch of new sneak peeks have come out. So, let's get into it! So yes, new buses are coming to Bluestar, and there has already been 2 of them in the sneak peeks of them in the production line. So something that you can pretty much spot straight away is the side cameras for the driver, which are already seen on the 24 plate MMCs down at Bluestar, seen on the Bluestar 2 and 7 route. And another thing we can see which is already used on our 24 plates down at Bluestar is the brand new seat. But one thing I can see in the sneak peek, and something that definitely does not exist on our current 24 plate MMC fleet at the moment, is what appears to be a sunroof. But in the other sneak peek, it does seem to be just like it is with our current fleet, so I don't know if the sunroof is coming or not, but I guess we'll have to find out. Also, Bluestar, if you're watching this, or maybe someone at Alexander Dennis, in this new fleet, please could you add the flip up seats. It was a bit of a disappointment when I rode our 24 plate ones, for I couldn't flip the seats up like you can with the Moorbus and Southern Vectis ones. So please could you fix that? Thanks! But that also isn't the only sneak peeks, as Bluestar themselves have also released a sneak peek yesterday at the time of recording, with Bluestar revealing that they will be running on the Bluestar 1 route between Southampton and Winchester, as Bluestar posted this video on their social media channels, which should clearly show the side cameras. But unfortunately that is all of the sneak peeks there are, but hopefully it won't be long until they arrive at Bluestar at its Empress Road depot. I've been Richard, and I thank you for watching Bluestar Fan Official.